everything. The communication, everything. We got this. Yeah. I'm gonna start smiling in the morning. Buddies. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Smile. Energy is very high, off the charts. Yeah.
It's demonstrated in that we keep trying to do better. Hilarious. She's wonderful.
Liked her energy.
No, very informative.
Great.
Her energy.
Yes, she's very positive, motivating. She's good. She's good. Yeah.
Well, fantastic.
Her positivity. I love her energy. You can't help but smile when you're around her.
I really like Judy Kay's energy. It's very engaging.
She never stops smiling. I thought that was really cool.
How are you feeling about your smile today? Her energy. I thought that she just is really engaging, and I thought that it inspired me. So I'm excited to go back to work and apply all the stuff that she has. So yeah.
Gave us a lot of great information about getting our office on track.
She was very energetic and she kept us engaged and entertained, and we took a lot of notes and feedback that we're going to take back to our office.
I really did enjoy her. Yeah. I feel like I'm really smiling and friendly.
We loved her because she was excellent. I just thought she was very energetic and kept me awake, and I didn't have to worry about falling asleep.
We love her.
Known her for years.
She's consistent.
Yes.
Every time we go to something, she lectures us. It's consistent, and that's the message.
It reminds you to be consistent as well. We always need a refresher. I love her.
She's a great person to talk to.
Yes.
I think that's what it is.
She's really spunky.
Judy is a perfect fit for Star of the North, and she has energy and enthusiasm and exactly what we want to see in all of our dental practices.
She always does a fantastic job. Very applicable what she talks about, and always very entertaining.
She's always full of energy, and that's what I always take from it.
We do a fantastic job, and Judy Kay helps us tweak little things to make us even better.
To be friendly and compassionate.
Just a really nice refresher and reminder about the patient experience, and you know how sometimes our dentistry is the last thing. It's how we make them feel is the most important.
We're coming this afternoon too, so we can't wait to hear about conflict resolution.
I was interested in the topic that she was going to be speaking about and how we do answer the phone, putting the smile on your face. Share what's exceptional about our office and the value of what we're doing.
Just team building.
Great motivational speaker.
Working together and just being more efficient and
Make our life easier. Yeah, make your day go better.
She packs the rooms. She brings such energy, and people just want to come back again and again and see her. They leave with a lot of energy, a lot of new dynamics to take back to the office, a lot of new ideas to get everything re-energized and working together as a team. She gives some free stuff too. People love that. Free stuff.
Yeah.
Great presentation, really interactive, which always keeps everyone's attention real well, and just went away with some good concrete examples of things that we can do to create a better environment in the office.
I've seen her before. She's always good. So that's why I'm here again. How happy she is. And she makes you rethink how you feel.
It was good, yes. It was very informative, enthusiastic, a lot of good things you can put into practice in everyday living.
She does a fantastic job in there. She's always enlightening and very energetic and very positive. Yes, a good reminder to stay positive.
We're going to smile every day.
She was just really inspirational and just exactly kind of what I needed to hear today. So I was curious to read the book and see what else she had to say. What you think really makes a big impact on the people around you. I will share it with everyone.
She's such a great speaker. It was awesome. It was a really great performance when she did up there. I mean, it was a performance. She's very good, very upbeat, very positive, and really gave some good reasons for making people smile. Very good energy. Yeah, the little ta-da at the end was pretty cool.
Trying to learn how you can't change people, but how to deal with people.
She's phenomenal, life-changing, inspiring, energy like crazy. So excited.
She's very, very good. She was super good. And even not just for the office, but she was inspirational just in life. The smile. Just her thought of telling us to smile.
It's great for the practice, but I have a 2.5-year-old, so it's all attitude, and I need all the help I can get. It sounded super useful for the toddler in my life.
Yeah, I loved it. It was awesome. Just her energy and all the good things she had to say. I think I will try to be pretty positive. I can try, and I will.
Just looking for some tips for making those families happy and feel welcome.
Good, very entertaining.
Yep.
Judy understands the importance of getting the care that the patients need and getting it done today so they can afford it. She understands the importance of oral health and just health in general, and it gives you a good feeling about being who you are, and Care Credit provides that because it allows you to get the care that you need today and helps you make a happier life.
so much fun to listen to. Communication skills, just improvement that they can use every day with their coworkers as well as their patients. Absolutely, she's a dream.
Orange happens.
It's always good to just get your morale boosted up again.
Her energy, very upbeat. To be more positive.
Oh, her energy and her sensitivity. I just thought she was great.
I love everything that she had to say, and I live by it normally.
Great smile.
Yeah, it was awesome.
She's very motivational.
Yep, she's on target to
positive attitudes.
Got you motivated, and she wants you to implement things next week, and we're excited to do it.
And we're positive.
And we're gonna give each other high fives.
High five.
She brings humor and good advice to good situations. Working with the office, working with the team members, and helping to make a better team. The most important thing to do is to implement, like she said, the little ones at a time. You come back, you see it again, and it's like, oh, hey, there's another 5 things I remember from the last time I saw her, and hey, I can try those now. And then I can try the next ones, and the next ones. And you build on it. It's great information.
Describe the 4 top properties of your office. Get in here. It was really, really good.
How you were answering the phone, I really enjoyed that part, and I really took that to heart.
Appreciate the patients and make them feel at home and show that we care.
Being happy is the key to life. What they learn is just better patient communication skills and better, ways that our patients all love to. It's about the relationship building. It's about touching they come back because exactly how you treated them and how they feel when they leave.
We always it makes us think about what we can work on to better our practice. That's what I always take from it the most.
She was wonderful, yes. She did a great job. She's a wonderful speaker.
Can't wait to read her book.
She's a very excellent speaker, keeps you entertained and keeps your attention level up. And yeah, I jotted down several things that I'm going to bring back to our staff meeting. Our exit strategy and the 4 words to define our practice, and the consistency, especially from what the hygienists are all doing, the doctors are all doing.
Oh, she's helped it a lot.
It was amazing. She was amazing energy, full of life, and great positive attitude, so it was fun.
To go into things with a more positive attitude and just live life every day like it's a new day. And
We'll be smiling all day.
yeah.
Every time we think of her. Yeah.
Leave your attitude at the door. On the outside of the door.
I really want to put this orange band on right now and just raise it and smile.
Most offices are like mine. They're not perfect. They have a positive attitude, not only just involving our patients, but involving our coworkers as well.
Uplift people with your own attitude.
I do.
It's like some downer people can bring you down. I think it works the other way too.
Being present in the moment, I think, was the biggest one, and being thoughtful of what the families are feeling and where the place that they're in when they come into the office.
She has a lot of good things to say, and I've been able to talk with her about a lot of different issues, and she has good advice. She's got a lot of experience to draw on. I love the idea of actually building the whole communication between everyone and having everyone help build that communication themselves so they can all agree what it is that's going to happen when they communicate with each other and go forward from there.
Well, I was impressed, and I truly enjoyed it.
She's awesome. Yes. Yes. She's fun. It was wonderful.
I would highly recommend that, Judy Kay. As people who are in charge of, delighting their customer, which for us are attendees, she is A+.
That was so fun. It was good. We loved her.
Awesome. Yeah.
Great attitude.
She's awesome. I love her.
She's very positive.
Awesome speaker. Awesome. Yes, we did.
Happy.
Ta-da.
I'm going to put it in my everyday life. It's incredible.
Definitely say go see her. It was a really great motivational talk.
She's someone that you would just like to stay around all the time because she's got that positive influence.
Signed up for 2 of her classes. I'm always smiling and saying hi to people. She talked about people running, and I always say hi to people as I run past them, and it makes them smile more too. So her reputation precedes her, which I think is so true.
If you have a smile on your face, you do great. She's awesome.
Definitely.
You need to listen to her not just for the office, but for your life.
That's correct.
Yeah, energetic. Really energetic.
It's really fun. Yeah, really great. Yeah.
Smile, pass it on.
Level of enthusiasm is absolutely amazing.